Hello everyone, welcome to episode 5 of the castle. I think this is episode 5 of working on the castle. But today's was a lot of work, and just because it was so many stones, I split it into 2 parts. So there's going to be this part 5, and then I'll do a part 6 on the other ones. This part 5 I mainly worked on just the western tower, the inner western tower that's closest to the coast. And it had fallen down quite a bit, so I did just a few little repairs, and I added some more of the bigger stones to the sides of the walls and made it sort of slightly better. Sometimes I used to come out at like midnight with a sleeping bag and just cuddle up on the pile of rocks because it was nice and cozy, and the ocean would come in and slush around me, and it was like a white noise machine. It was super relaxing. But occasionally I would come inside again because I would be woken up by a very unpleasant storm of splooshy water coming from the sky, with the force of someone blowing really, really hard at a candle, and the candle was my happiness. So hopefully, once I'm done here, I'll be able to build it back up to the point where it won't be a problem. Sometimes the ocean knocks it down, but each time the ocean knocks it down, I just build it back up a little bit. I even saw tire tracks through the pile one time, and I was like, did someone just drive straight through this? But that's fine, I'll just make it bigger. It flattened it, so now I've got a bigger base to work with, so joke's on you. I'm continuing on the main wall. I haven't actually touched the walls slightly, and I'm still leaning back and forwards as to whether or not to move the far tower all the way inland. It would be a lot of work, but it would definitely increase fortifications on the inner triangle. Just still sort of figuring out what I'm going to do here. But yeah, this is going to be a little video of me getting some exercise, moving some stones for fun. My new little hobby gives me happiness and a little bit of joy. So have fun watching it. And I'll probably put some music in the background. Goodbye.
Asleep in the waves, under the stars. Cold stones whisper, they forge my scars. The sea consumes the light of the day. A lullaby of a swallowing void. The wind's my pillow, a bed of gassy hay. The night's my jar, an inverted rhomboid. The sky clouds over with dark thick clouds. Heavy and light, 1,000 shades of grey. Blinding satellites with vapor shrouds. Stealing their light, absorbed it fades. I move space in the matter within it. I twist the field to serve its master. The ether dances to my silent chatter. Under the veil, where the universe reassembles and scatters. I'm the weaver of the grail. The water eats the light and swallows it whole. The pattern that accumulates force and power. Keys are held within the hour. The notes of matter's music, the eternal flower. The moon wears shadows like a second skin. Its face is weathered through thick and thin. I hold the breath, the tides pull in. I'm lost in the rhythm, the chaos within. Stars fall like ash, a cosmic parade. I trace their paths in light and shade. The galaxy spins, a tune replayed. I'm the unseen force, the art it made. I move space and matter, I bend and I shatter. The cosmos dances to my silent chatter. Under the veil, where the universe scatters. I'm the weaver, the drifter, the pattern that shatters. The moon wears shadows like a second skin. Its face is weathered through thick and thin. I hold the breath, the tides pull in. I'm lost in the rhythm, the chaos within. I'm the weaver of the grifter, the pattern that shatters.
I throw 1,000 cards with each hand in the evenings. Ink stained fingers like desert sand weaving. I write a scroll a day until I made my plans. Riding in the shadows with upgraded adrenal glands. Catch me on a bicycle, catch me on a bicycle, catch me on a bicycle, catch me on a bicycle. Wheels whisper low, no face, no name. I'm the ghost you know, I'm the ghost you know, I'm the ghost you know. So enjoy the show. I'm the cutthroat, call me OG Gambit. glance like bullets and I'm aiming fast. Neighborhood whispers a myth in the wind. No past, no future, I am where the storm begins. Call me a phantom, call me a blur. Lines on the page but I never occur. I'm a flicker, a spark, a fleeting flame. Throwing cards in a world that forgets my name. A new face each day, shape-shifting through ancient flames. Card thrower, the ink spiller, the silent shadow, the dream killer. No face, no name, no trace, no shame. I'm the card thrower, I play the game. I'm the ghost you know, catch me on a bicycle in your neighborhood. I arrive like the smoke from burning wood. Catch me on a bicycle in your neighborhood. I arrive like a smoke from burning wood. Catch me on a bicycle in your neighborhood. I arrive like a smoke from burning wood. Catch me on a bicycle in your neighborhood. I arrive like a smoke from burning wood. Catch me on a bicycle in your neighborhood. I arrive like a smoke from burning wood. Catch me on a bicycle. 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 You fall asleep, I'll be there treading through your dreams. When you fall asleep, I'll be there treading through your dreams. Cities made of gold, floating in the cold. When you fall asleep, I'll be there treading through your dreams. When you fall asleep, I'll be there treading through your dreams.
So have fun watching it, and I'll probably put some music in the background. Goodbye.